Welcome to Total Tech English, your ultimate destination for the latest in tech news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated leaks, launch, and specs of the upcoming Google Pixel 8a. So let's not waste any time and jump right into it. First up, leaked images have been circulating the internet, giving us a sneak peek into the design of the Google Pixel 8a. From what we can see, Google seems to be sticking with its signature design language, with minimal bezels and a sleek, modern look. Now, let's talk about one of the most crucial aspects of any smartphone: the camera. Rumors suggest that the Pixel 8a will come equipped with an enhanced camera setup, promising stunning photography capabilities that will surely impress even the most discerning photographers. Under the hood, the Pixel 8a is expected to pack a powerful punch with ample RAM. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming your favorite content, the Pixel 8a is poised to deliver smooth and seamless performance. Battery life is always a concern for smartphone users, but fear not, as the Pixel 8a is rumored to feature a sizable battery that will keep you powered throughout the day. And with fast charging capabilities, you'll spend less time tethered to an outlet and more time enjoying your device. Of course, being a Google device, the Pixel 8a will undoubtedly ship with the latest version of Android and receive timely updates for years to come. Plus, expect a host of innovative features and optimizations that will enhance your overall user experience. So, when can we expect to get our hands on the Pixel 8a? While Google has yet to confirm an official launch date, rumors suggest that we could see the unveiling as early as this month at Google I/O. Be sure to stay tuned for updates as we eagerly await more information from Google. That wraps up our overview of the Google Pixel 8a leaks, launch, and specs. What feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Until next time, this is Total Tech English signing off.